Hello everyone! It's been a while since the last video. I caught COVID, I caught personal issues, and I caught a lot of time trying to understand how to get the Twitch API working, because I'm not used to that. I managed. First, you're going to register your application on dev.twitch.tv. You need a Twitch account to register your application on Twitch. We are going to register a new application. I already have one, but let's start from the beginning. New application. Name. This is a test. So this is the name of your application. Make sure that it's a good name. Redirection URL. This is the part that got me particularly in trouble. Basically, when your application is going to start, you are going to send the user on a Twitch page which says your guy name wants access to your account. It wants to be able to create polls, moderate the chat, etc., etc. It's going to list everything your application wants to do. And when the user clicks OK, they are going to be redirected to this URL here. And the redirect is going to have the authentication token that your application is going to need to do requests. But we have a problem. We don't have a server. So, big thanks to the Hellcat on GitHub for providing me with a solution, which I checked the validity of on the Twitch forums. So everything I'm going to tell you has been verified and approved by Twitch. You are going to redirect your user to http://localhost. For those of you who know really nothing about web, localhost is myself, my own computer. The website is going to be the user's game. And the port, you can change the port if you want. I'm going with 8080. Add. Actually, I think we need a /. To be honest, I have both, just in case. Category, probably game integration. I am not a robot. And then you click create. So now we have our application with the URLs. This is going to provide you with a key and a secret. If you hit manage, I'm doing this off screen because it's not safe. It's going to provide you with a client identifier, and you can generate a client secret. Generate a client secret. It's an additional security and it's not going to provide much problem. I assure you, it's nothing that's going to be too complicated. And there we go. You have created your application on Twitch and you are now able to ask a Twitch for control of someone's stream. And this is already the end of part 4.